Hello friends, I am your Dr. Mahesh Sharma. I welcome you all to our Health Vision YouTube channel. Today, in amidst of many disorders which are becoming common in these days, one of the important classical cereals which has again come up on light is the barley. So barley, we all know that it belongs to a very old traditional food, and we had forgotten somewhere meanwhile in between, and now we have started using it in our meals or in our breakfast. So in this episode, friends, let us have a discussion and try to know more about the health benefits of barley. Barley is called as a king of cereals. Having more amount of fiber content in itself, it can increase the fiber content inside the body, and it can delay the absorption or delay the production of the glucose into the blood. That is why in today's most of the obesity as well as diabetes and the urinary tract infections, again barley or barley water has become an important remedy. Very important thing, it is diuretic. We all know diuretic means taking away the amount of extra water content from the body. So therefore, any condition wherein we wanted to purify the kidneys, in all those instances, barley or barley water becomes an important option. So barley has an important characteristic or feature of removing the excess water from the body. So therefore, whenever you have an obesity or an swelling in the limbs or fluid accumulation inside the body, this helps to remove or expel the extra amount of the fluid from the body. Most of the kidney infections, you tend to have an urination with burning sensation or difficulty in urination. In all those instances, barley or barley water becomes an excellent remedy. Important quality of the barley is, it is called as in Ayurveda as Purisha Janananam Sreshtam. It means it increases the bulk of the feces and easy expulsion of the feces. Therefore, in all instances where a patient is suffering from constipation or prolonged case of constipation or difficulty in expelling the stools, in those instances barley rice or barley water becomes an excellent remedy. It is also generally used in very important disorder, that is kidney stones. It is having a quality of breaking the stones and expelling the stones easily from the urinary tract. Therefore, whenever a person is suffering from kidney stones, barley water is used even today as an excellent remedy. Being rich with a lot of ample amount of fiber, it is an excellent remedy for diabetes. Because in diabetes, Ayurveda clearly emphasizes the importance of having some food which is increased in fiber and has less of calories. When we look into the barley, it exactly fits into this nature. So therefore, it increases the fiber content inside the body, delays the digestion, fills your stomach for very good, and also delays the process of digestion, and hence you can keep yourself from getting hunger for a prolonged period, and hence it is useful in diabetes. So therefore, since fiber is more, fat is very less, it is also being used as an excellent remedy in preventing and curing obesity even. And this is also a very good digestive cereal. So therefore, it is also used whenever you have an indigestion or any disorder related with your digestive tract. So in this way, barley is a traditional, age-old, simple cereal which is used years together, and today it has become very important and also carries a lot of medicinal properties in it. So stay tuned to our Health Vision channel and always have a continuous updates regarding various messages or information regarding the health. Thank you.